What's up guys? I'm in Shanghai! And this is actually my very first visit to Shanghai, so I'm very excited. And I'm actually here for the launch of Vivo X300 and also the new OriginOS, which you will probably see if you continue to watch this video. But the time now is 12:30 midnight. But before I end this video, I just want to quickly show you. Upon entering the room, I found this bag. It's by Vivo, and inside there are actually some stuff. The first thing is perfume, a Shanghai fridge magnet, and a Vivo power bank. Okay, that's it. Time to shower and sleep. Good morning. The time now is 9:10 a.m. Today is going to be the launch day of the Vivo X300. It's going to be tonight. So the schedule today is quite simple. Breakfast, and then we will gather around 11:45, head to the lunch location, and then we will have lunch. After lunch, we will come back to the hotel. We will get ready, and then we will meet up again and head to the stadium. The launch is in the stadium, which is quite interesting. So I'm also quite excited to see. The whole thing will end around 10. And then when we come back to the hotel, it's about 11 p.m. And then 11 p.m. is when they will pass us the brand new Vivo X300. Guys, the time now is 11:30 a.m. and we are gathering at the hotel lobby to go for lunch. And as you can see, they kind of took over the whole hotel. Okay, so we have arrived at our lunch spot. Apparently, we're eating Hai Di Lao. Are we eating Hai Di Lao, Shen?
Highly unlikely.
Highly likely?
Highly unlikely.
Highly unlikely. So we will see where we are having lunch.
Hope it's not hot, right?
So the time now is about 2:15. Just done with lunch. We're back to the hotel. This shopping mall is actually right beside the hotel. So I'm just checking it out. It's called Grand Harbour. Quite interesting because a lot of I think this is one of those luxury malls in Shanghai because they have a lot of expensive brands, including expensive cars like that. Okay. And I'm currently looking for a coffee spot to buy coffee. Okay guys, the time now is 3 p.m. and everyone from different contingents are getting on the bus, and then we will head to the Vivo X300 launch. So we're going there now. It's happening at the stadium, so stay tuned.
X300 launch, you can take your videos, you can take content off, but all your posts can only go live after 9 p.m. Yes.
Okay, so we just arrived at the National Stadium and we're going to get coffee.
Guys, welcome to my vlog.
No, not getting coffee. But I will definitely get my own coffee once we're done with all these things. Right, Sam?
Yes.
Bagus.
100% not Starbucks.
Right, Adam?
Not Starbucks.
Not Starbucks.
part, and you can have a try on that part. We have a different.
Ồ, đấy là video chân dung luôn đúng không ạ? Quán đi.
So as you can see, we are at the experience zone now, trying out the brand new X300, and they actually prepared so many stations so that everyone has chance to play with the phone. Right? They also have like models posing, so you can try the camera features, which is like the amazing zooms and also like the 4K portrait video and stuff like that. Quite impressive, quite nice.
Có OriginOS 6 và Vivo có hứa là...
Okay, the time now is 5 p.m. and it's dinner time. I know it's very early because the event is actually it's actually starting soon. I think about 7 p.m. until 10, which is a very long event. Hence, we are here at Radisson Blu Hotel. Let me show you. So today we're having buffet. This is a buffet platter. Check out the food. Food looks good. Okay guys, it's launch time. So I'm currently back at the entrance of the event. Whoa, whoa, whoa. Good morning. It's my third day here in Shanghai, and the day is starting early. The time now is about 8:45 in the morning, and we are going for a photo walk, a full day photo walk, and we're gonna see all the interesting spots, the tourist spots in Shanghai, and we will eventually end up at 9 p.m. Okay, so that's the bus. Let's go! Okay, so first stop, this place is called Wukang Road, and we're supposed to say this Wukang Mansion, which is right in front. Okay, so the next stop, we are checking out Zikawe Library, which is this. Okay, and according to them, we have to respect the space, not to make noise, whatever, but we'll see. Basically, we're just taking photos. Guys, the time now is 12:30 and it's lunch time. But I have a surprise for you. You look up. Oh, ding, 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 ding. Oh no, spoiled by the auntie screaming. But that's Shanghai. Xinjiang cuisine. Guys, we're currently on this walkway, and the view in front is quite interesting. It's the Shanghai Tower. Zoom, 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 zoom. Oh, it's starting to rain now. Time now is about 4 p.m. and as you can see, I'm in a raincoat because it started raining the moment we arrived at this next location, which is traditional Chinese market, I think. Here's a special view. It's like a bottom-up view. The time now is 6 p.m. but the sky is already dark. Okay, here's a better view. So we are going to the dinner place. It's a Lebanon cuisine because we have Malay friends in the group, so we have to eat halal food. This is the view. 我是想去看的，来到没有去过。But at least 下午拍到那个东西了。真的。
他今天最出名了，他晚上。
So this is the restaurant. It's called Elif Falafel.
Elif Falafel.
Elif Falafel. Okay, one more time.
Elif Falafel.
Yes. Whoa. Whoa, whoa, whoa. Wow. So our table is upstairs. Wow.
你们那边有沙拉吗？这个几？那沙拉。
Guys, the time now is 8:10 and we finally arrive at the Bund, the most talked about location, and of course it's a must-see as a tourist like me for the very first time. Wow. Guys, this is day 3 in Shanghai. This morning I escaped from the big group a little bit because I want to check out the LV ship in Shanghai. Like I heard about it, I saw people posting it, and since I'm in Shanghai, I think I cannot miss it. I have to come and check it out. So now I'm back in the hotel. The time now is 1 p.m. It's lunchtime. We are having buffet at the coffee house in the hotel. So happy I managed to see what I want to see. Secretly. Okay guys, the time now is 4:30 p.m. and it's almost the last 2 activities for the whole trip, which is basically checking out the new OriginOS and the launch, which is after dinner. The rest are not down yet, so I'm just here buying coffee. We have arrived at the Apa? OriginOS 6 launch
Correct.
location
Betul.
Tahun apa?
2050.
Betul. That's why we look at the future technology Tengok, the building is also very future. What is this? Time now is 6:15 and we're going for dinner first, and then we will continue with the OriginOS 6 launch.
Malaysia. Malaysia boleh. Boleh. Vivo
This, this mall is called AI Plaza. So apparently we are having Shanghainese cuisine tonight. Wow. Wow. 57. Oh, here. Oh, here. Oh, okay. Okay, I'm currently at the launch event and I found my seat according to this tag.
Hello, they are guests and friends. They are guests and friends.